Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this smartphone. You need to start by opening Settings, scrolling down and choosing Notifications. Following that, scroll down again, click on More over here, and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, for example Chrome. As you can see, all notifications from Chrome are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. You can also click on Most Recent over here, for example select Most Frequent and tap on the switcher then. Or you can click on one of your apps and tap on the switcher next to Show Notifications to switch them off or on from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!